Good morning, this is your Stat Sensei, Mr. Spensei, and this is the test review for simulations, and it's going to be problems, multiple choice problems 5 through 7. All right, so problems 5 through 7. So you are testing a new medication for relief of depression. You are going to give the new medication to subjects suffering from depression to see if their symptoms have lessened after a month. You have 8 subjects available. Okay, that's important. Half of the subjects are to be given the new medication and the other half a placebo. So 0.50 or 50% will receive. All right. The names of the 8 subjects are given below and are signed one-digit numbers as follows. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to make my number line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and also 0. 9 and 0, those are skips. These are the patients. Using the random digits above and starting at the beginning of the list and using 2-digit labels, which 4 were chosen first? All right. So it's like, okay, we know it's going to be 1 is Blumenthal, 2 is Costello, 3 is Duval, 4 is Fan, House, Long, Pavlikova, and Tang. All right. So remember 9 and 0 are skipped. So the first number was 8. So that means we selected Tang. The next number is 1, so that means we selected Blumenthal. The next number is 5. We selected House. The next number is 7, so Pavlikova. By the way, if a number had occurred twice, we couldn't select them twice. All right. So, so which 4 were chosen first? It looks like Tang, Blumenthal, House, and Pavlikova. So that's what I'm looking for is a list that has those names. So Blumenthal, no, Costello was not taken. House, yes, taken. Long, not taken. So it can't be this one. Costello, not taken. All right, so hopefully it's this one. And sure enough, we have Blumenthal, House, Pavlikova, and Tang. So our answer choice to problem 5 is D. Problem 6, a basketball player makes 2/3 of his free throws. To simulate a single free throw, which of the following um, assignments of digits would make a free throw appropriate? Well, so if we have 2/3, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Well, 2/3 would be I'm taking 3 shots and I'm making 2 of them. So 2 out of 3. So these would count as shots. These would be makes, make, and this could be a miss. So um, 0 and 1 and 2 correspond to making a free throw, and 3 corresponds to missing it. No, that's 4 numbers, and we can only that we 1, 2, 3, 4, so that won't work. We'll come back to B in a moment. It says C, both A and B are correct. No. The next one, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5 to correspond to making a free throw. 0, 5 to 60 to making a free throw. 61 to 62, 63 to 90 correspond to missing a free throw. So in this case, 60 over 9 to missing a free throw. And what it doesn't say, and this is tricky, is 91 to 99 and 00 are skips. So we need to make 2/3. Well, in this case, 60 over 90 is when you're actually shooting. So I'm going to make this list because this is a very tricky problem because we went to two digits instead of one digit. With 2 digits, we have 0, 1, 0, 2, dot, 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 all the way to 0 to 60. Those are makes, dot, 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 all the way to 90. And I should put a 61 to 90 These are free throws that were taken. So this is how many shots you had, 0, 1 to 90. And that's why it's a denominator. And of those, 60 out of the 90 were makes, 60 out of 90. And if I take my calculator, what's 60 divided by 90? Sorry, the calculator take a little bit to warm up. So 60 divided by 90, that's 2/3. All right, so 60 over 90 are makes, and these 91 to 99 and 00 are skips. In this case, B is correct and C is wrong, and obviously if B is correct, then D is also wrong. Tricky problem because they went to two-digit numbers, and you really do have to visualize that 0, 1 to 60 are makes, 61 to 90 are miss. So basically, we have 60 out of a total 90 shots that were taken because this represents shots taken. And we're making 60 out of the 90. All right. To simulate a basketball player who makes 75% of his free throws, we use 1, 2, and 3 to correspond to making a free throw, and the digit 4 to correspond to missing the free throw. Assume successive shots are independent. We obtain the following sequence of 10 random events. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are shots. These are misses. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0 are skips. All right. So in this case, this is a make. That's a skip. Make. 9 is a skip. This is a miss. Zero is a excuse me, I said that wrong. 1, 2, 2, 9 is a skip. You know what? I'm going to use a different color. That'll work better. 9 is a skip. 9 is a skip. 5 is a skip. 0 is a skip. All right. So we have a make, a make, a make, a make, a make, and this last one is a miss. All right. So in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shots taken. 6 shots, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 makes. 5 makes. All right. So we have 5 makes for the 6 shots taken because 1 through 3 represent the make, miss is a 4, 5 through 9, and 0 are skips and do not count. So we made 5 shots for the 6 attempts that we taken. All right. Appreciate you watching. Hope this helped a little bit and look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thank you.